everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I made a very special video for you guys about cleaning motivation. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I really hope, most importantly, that this video motivates you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned.
Alright my love, let's do this. So the first thing I decided to do this day was to wash the dishes because they were driving me crazy, and I really wanted to see my kitchen clean first. I usually always clean the living room first, but today for some reason I decided to do the dishes. So that would be my first thing. One thing you guys might not know about me is that when I'm cleaning, what motivates me the most is either music or YouTube videos. I always say that find something that motivates you while you're cleaning, so it could make the cleaning process easier and you have fun.
I'm talking to Philly, I'm talking to London, I'm talking to DC, Paris, Berlin, everybody, Baltimore, LA, Orlando, y'all. We are free, we are love, we're round, we're skinny, we're big, we're small, but we have love in our heart, and we want you in, as long as you bring the love.
This all-purpose cleaner is from the brand Method Anti-Bag with the fragrance Citron, and it cuts grease and grime and is antibacterial, kills 99.9% of bacteria or germs, and the best part of it is that it smells good and it's natural.
I've tried to give you my soul, but you can't love something you own. It's too late to repair what we made. What can I do? Time flashed by and I woke up on the other side of the moon. The sun don't rise, all the light is gone from me and you. Time flashed by.
Okay, now I'm done cleaning the dishes. Now we're going on to the next to clean and organize the living room.
Sun don't rise, all the light is gone from me and you. It's a shame to watch us fade away, but all the beautiful things.
This cleaning that I was doing in my house is very simple because I didn't really have to clean much and my house wasn't that dirty.
Tried to give you my life, but you can't see in the dirt of the night. I'm alone, I'm scared. Where'd you go?
Going to be adding the link down below for this multi-purpose cleaner. You could find it at Target, and I also love the fact that you can clean the wood with it too.
On the other side of the moon, the sun don't rise, all the light is gone from me and you. Time flashed by and I woke up on the other side of the moon. The sun don't rise, all the
if you're new in my channel, I have two cats. This is Kane. The other cat that I have is Star, and they're so cute and I love them. My couch is from Walmart and it's a sofa bed, and the spray bottle that I showed you guys before, what I put in there is fabric softener, and the brush is just to clean off whatever hair or dirt is on the couch because it catches some hair sometimes. And what I do is that I just, once I'm done fixing and organizing the couch, I spray some of the fabric softener and water. I mix it with water and it makes it smell really, really good. It's a little trick that I have. So once I'm done with that, I go ahead and clean my lamp, which gets dusty most of the time, and I also use the same multi-purpose spray because it really works good on every surface. Once I'm done there, I go ahead and sweep my floors in my kitchen and in my living room, and then from there I go on to the next. Okay, I'm finally done with the living room. Now I'm going to go ahead and organize and clean a little bit my bedroom.
Come to your senses. Just send me a message and I'll come searching for you.
So I like for my bed and my pillows to smell good. So I go ahead and every day that I make my bed, I spray the fabric softener with the water, mix in the spray bottle, spray them in my pillows and all over my bed.
Let's get excited. I will never let you go. Let's make a night of it. I will never do you wrong. It's time to decide it. We stay up to the morning light. In the moment, nothing matters but tonight. I'll be everything you need, and I'll let you guide me to where you are, whatever it takes. I'll take whatever we make, 'cause you make my heart ache, and I'm not living tonight. I'll show you the way to go. I'll never let you be alone. Come with me, then you'll know. Take my hand and lose control.
So I'm all done with my room. Now all I have to do is just mop the floor and I'm all done. So what I love to use for my floor is this Lysol floor cleaner. It disinfects the floor and it smells amazing.
To decide if we stay up to the morning light. In the moment, nothing matters but tonight.
By the way, this floor mop and bucket are the best. They're very convenient and easy to use. The brand is called Cedar and you could find it anywhere, Amazon, Walmart, Target. It's very, very convenient and it's super comfortable. And that's a wrap, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it and that you guys got some motivation out of this video. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family. And please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you guys like this video, so that way I know if you guys like videos like this. Thank you so much. I hope you guys have a great day and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.